Hello everyone, this is Hoya Dastar and I'm a student of Federation University. My roll number is 3012118 and my topic of presentation is software attacks. In this video, we are gonna talk about the possible software attacks that can happen in a software. Number one is virus. A virus is a program that is actuated by joining duplicates of itself to executable items. Virus can reach your system from other contaminated system through information medium or through a network. There are few sorts of viruses. File viruses. File infecting viruses attack executable programs such as files with .exe and .com extension. Script viruses. Script viruses are a subset of document viruses written in a mixture of script dialects, VB, JavaScript, BAT, PHP, and so on. Boot viruses. Boot viruses assault boot divisions and set their own loading routines at startup. Macroviruses. Macroviruses assault files where different commands might be embedded. These viruses are frequently implanted inside word processing or spreadsheet applications. Since macros are effectively embedded into these sort of records, the other type of software attacks is a malware. Malware is a term used to portray malicious programs and procedures that are not viruses yet at the same time represent a risk to your computer. The type includes worm. A worm is an autonomous program that duplicates itself over a system, not at all like a virus, which needs the contaminated record to be replicated, keeping in mind the end goal is to recreate itself. The worm spreads actively by sending duplicates to itself through LAN or internet, email correspondence, or through working system or security bugs. The second type is Trojan. A Trojan is a malware program that not at all like a virus or worms, can't duplicate it and print record. It is normally found as an executable record and does not contain anything aside from the Trojan code itself. Consequently, the main result is to erase it. Adware. Adware is a short for advertising supporting software, which software is dedicated to displaying advertisement. Adware works by displaying pop-up windows during internet browsing, by setting various websites as your home page or opening a special program interface windows. Spyware. Spyware is a programming that uses the internet for gathering different bits of sensitive data about the client without his awareness. Some spyware projects hunt down data, for example, at present installed application and a history of visited website. Other spyware projects are made with a much more dangerous aim, the gathering of financial or individual information with the end goal of identifying the theft. Scams, broadly characterized. Scams are deceptions executed on computer user with the end goal of financial gain or identify theft. One of the most common scams involves an unsolicited fax, email, or letter from Nigeria or other Western African nations. The letter will have all the earmarks of being a genuine business proposal, but will require an advance fee from the target. The proposal is one of the fraud, and any fee paid by the target are immediately stolen. The third type of software attacks can be a remote techniques which allow attackers to compromise remote systems. These are divided into several categories. Out of it, some are listed below. Number one is DOS attacks. DOS, or denial of service, is an attempt to make a computer or network unavailable for its intended users. The target of DOS attacks are web servers, and the aim is to make them unavailable to the user for a certain period of time. DOS poisoning. Using DNS poisoning, hackers can trick the DNS server of any computer into believing that the fake data is legal and authentic. The fake information is cached for a certain period of time, allowing attackers to rewrite the DNS and replies of IP address. Port scanning. Port scanning is used to determine which computer ports are open on a network host. A port scanner is software designed to find such ports. A port is a virtual point which handles incoming and outgoing data. This is crucial from a security point of view. In a large network, the information gathered by the port scanners may help to identify potential such use is illegal. TCP desynchronization. TCP desynchronization is a technique used in TCP hijacking attacks. It is triggered by the process in which sequential number is incoming packets differ from the expected sequential number. Packets with an unexpected sequential number are dismissed or safe in buffer storage if they are present in the current communication window. That's all from the software attacks. This concludes my presentation. Thank you.